Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sit-ups and I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to do them perfectly. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, sit-ups are a great exercise for your core and abdominal muscles, and they're incredibly versatile. So, let's get started. Firstly, lie flat on your back, place your hands behind your head, but resist the temptation to pull your head forward. Instead, focus on keeping your neck relaxed. Now, lift up using your abdominal muscles. Remember, it's not about lifting with your arms. It's all about engaging those important core muscles. Once you reach a 90-degree angle at your elbows, hold for a moment before lowering back down slowly to complete one rep. One common question is whether to touch your knees or just your shins during a sit-up. The truth is, it doesn't really matter. What's important is that you maintain proper form and engage those core muscles throughout the entire movement. No one will be checking to see if you touched your knees or not. As always, I appreciate you all for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful and want more fitness tips and tricks, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy and fit, everyone. And remember, the best part about exercise is that it feels so good when you finish. That post-workout glow is simply unbeatable. Thanks for watching, folks.